asuntoskyhtiö Mechelininkatu 40 in Helsinki. This is one of the best theaters in Töölö. In 1949, it's 2.5. So 240 kilograms. Sixth floor. This is the oldest Hissinhuolto elevator that has been found, and I have found Hissinhuolto elevator number 28, and it's from 1950, which is even more rare year, and it has 7 floors, so it's a bit better than this one, but it is still amazing, or very amazing, and one of the best elevators in Helsinki. Let's hope that I can get 3 rides here. Ground floor. Unfortunately, this elevator is going to be modernized, but I'm not sure when. They said this year, but I think not, because there are not any signs of that. Now it's September already. 6th floor. Ground floor. Sixth floor. That's